So we're not camping. We're on our back porch actually. And we have, gosh, about 3 weeks in between camping trips. So we decided we would just shoot some other videos. Dawn has ordered some of those meal delivery services. So we have the first one coming tomorrow. It's HelloFresh. 4 meals for 40 bucks. And it's kind of do-it-yourself gourmet style meals. So we're going to do some videos on those. Maybe do some videos of cooking them, and then maybe a video on which ones we like best, and you know, some of the features and things like that of each plan. But we here's old Maddie. We have I think 4 or 5 different services delivering food. We're getting the HelloFresh, and I think a day or 2 later we're getting 2 other ones. I don't know at all. But anyways, so let's get started. Here's one of our first videos here doing talking about HelloFresh meals. So our first one is HelloFresh. It was just brought here to the door. So here it is. 4 meals. Each meal is for 2 people. But let's get it inside and see what it looks like. So here we are. HelloFresh. See if I can do this with one hand here. Got the box open. All right, inside we have on top, we have what looks like, I guess these are the recipes of the meals. Yeah, so here's the recipes of the meals we got. Butter brown gemelli, hot honey chicken, carne asada steak bowls,
Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti.
and then I'm sure this is little please order more packet. So within the box you have, looks like a makeshift cooler. So here we are. There's the 4 meals. They are each bagged up. I guess all the ingredients are inside here, inside these bags. Oh, what does this say? Let me get these out here. So they have gotten a little wet on the bottom from the ice packs, but they're thick. They're thick paper bags, so they're not like thin lunch paper bags. And you got this sitting here. It says, don't forget the ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. So let's see what that is. So, man, you got, 3 big, decently heavy ice packs. They have thawed slightly, but all in all, I mean, I would say 95% of that is still ice. And I would say this sat out on the front porch in about 85-degree heat for probably 2 hours before I got home to get it. And then it looks like these are your packs of meat. Yeah, here's your sausage. Here's your beef. Your chicken breast. And there should be a 4th, right? Maybe not. Let's see. What do we have here? Sausage, steak, chicken. Okay, this is just a vegetable dish. Okay, so we have 3 meats for the 3 meat meals and then a vegetable dish. It looks like, so they got your prep time and your total time. I mean, everything, all of these are 30 or 35 minutes. So it shouldn't take too long to make. It's not like, I guess that means you're not going to be cooking for 3 straight hours. It's got here some strong warnings. Extra things you may need to get out that they don't provide. Salt, pepper, olive oil, butter. I guess this is all that what they provide. And the step-by-step instructions, 6 steps.
They even give you a wine selection. You'd want fruity, fresh, bold, and fresh. So we'll get back to you when we get one of these meals going. Let you know how easy or how hard it is to get them cooked and how good they are. All right, so that's it for now. We will come back when it's time to cook one of these meals. I don't know, we'll maybe film all of them or just one of them and then give you a review of what we think of the meals and then go over pricing and things like that. All right, we'll be back.